Now that you have created a group, I am going to show you how to add members to that group and also how to start to manage that group. So within the My Groups page, you'll see that your groups are listed. I have a couple different groups. The groups that I own, you'll notice, have Manage and Archive as selections after each of the titles. This particular group I do not own, so I don't have the Manage option. So the group that we're going to be working with, I could click on the title or I could click on Manage. Either will bring me to the same functions. It will just look slightly differently. If we click on the title, this is the group's home page. You can see there's not much on there because I haven't done much in this group. So to add new members, to the right, we would simply invite people. There are a few different options in which you can invite people to your group. You could type in external emails if you have a list separated by a semicolon. You could also invite from your email contacts. That would work with Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook. Or if you have other friends on Diigo, you could invite them that way. This might work if you already have a class set up and you're now advancing students into smaller group where they have maybe 4 or 5 members and they're working on a specific task together. The other option, if you're just starting out, is to create accounts for students, and that's what I choose to do at the beginning of each year. So at this point, you have two options. You could enter names or you could import a CVS or CSV file. I'm going to choose to manually import names. I have small classes that I work with, so this works for me. So once those names are in, you would simply click Create. I highly suggest you avoid using last names. Once you're here, at this screen, you really want to pay attention. This is a point where you want to be able to revise any usernames or passwords. The thing about Diigo is you can't go back in and change passwords or usernames once they're created, so now is the time to do it. If you have younger students, maybe creating a common password would be a good thing to do. The other thing is it allows you to select what type of account you want for your student profile. For my purposes, I work with middle school students, and not all of them are 13 yet, so I choose that. And that disables a lot of the social capabilities of their account. For example, they couldn't load a profile picture onto their account. I don't believe that they can message other friends. And so that way it helps the teacher monitor younger students. If you have older students and you want to choose that, by all means. At this point, you would click Create Student Account. Once you have added all of the students that you'd like to your class, you can print out username and password information by scrolling down and going to Teacher Council. And under this, you will see your various groups. And this is the class that I was working with. And I could click on Print Members. And then I would be able to print this document out and hand this out to students.